Right, good morning everyone, welcome back. We're here in Montana Pretoria. We've got an interesting aspect on the steel sliding gate. We've looked at it and we've looked at the options how to repair it. Okay, so what we're having is that the steel sliding gate is moving completely off the pinion gear. Let me just get another one there. Right, there you can see the gate rail is completely missing the gate motor pinion gear. So we've got some options to resolve it. What we're also finding is that the steel sliding gate is scratching on the brick wall at the back. See if we can get it in there. So we can see, let's get my finger on that brick there at least. So yeah, let's quickly sort it out for the client. Now again, what's interesting is we did cut off the wheel and we quickly removed the steel pin on the gate wheel, and we found that the wheel bearings were completely shot. So there's the one, that's what's left of the other one. So we fitted new bearings into this one. I'm just going to quickly weld it back onto the gate and I'll do a couple of adjustments. And obviously, because this bearing was in such a state, we'll do the front bearing as well. Right, if you spin it, there's no noise on it. So let's quickly take it apart and see what surprises are hidden. Right, there you can see we've removed the wheel from the casing. So these bearings also needs to be replaced. Let's quickly do that. Right, here you can see that the spacing between the brick wall and the steel sliding gate, there was not even a need to cut it. Just by moving the gate on the steel sliding gate wheels makes the difference. I'm just gonna stand like this. It was rubbing in this area there. So let's quickly test it. You can see that the gate is not even close to the brick wall. We'll see if we can do it in slow motion. Okay. That's it. Right, let's quickly test it. But before we get to testing, I'll just quickly show you. Sun is obviously in the wrong position. So basically you can see on the steel sliding gate, we've moved the gate basically inwards. The gate wheel will still run on the rail, and your steel gate rail is running onto the gate motor pinion gear. I'll just quickly activate it. That's it. Alright guys, you know what to do by now. If you want it repaired like this, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za. Follow us for more videos. Thanks for watching and thanks for all of the support.